Think math.
The rule is simple. Start with 1 and 1 and make each new number by adding the 2 before it. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 8, 13, 21. This is the Fibonacci sequence, and hidden inside this simple addition is a remarkable ratio. Look at the ratio of neighbors. 3 over 2 is 1.5. 5 over 3 is about 1.67. 8 over 5 is 1.6. 13 over 8, 1.625. Bouncing up and down, the ratios settle toward a single number, 1.618, the golden ratio. Here is what the golden ratio means. Cut a segment in two, so that the whole compared to the long part equals the long part compared to the short part. Solve that condition, and you get 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, about 1.618. That is exactly the number the Fibonacci ratios are heading toward. Now let's draw with the sequence. Take squares with sides 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8, and attach them one by one. The rectangle keeps growing. Draw a quarter circle inside each square, and a beautiful spiral appears, the Fibonacci spiral, closing in on the golden spiral. Nature uses this ratio too. A sunflower places each new seed about 137.5 degrees around from the last, an angle that comes from the golden ratio. That way the seeds pack in tightly, with no gaps and no overlaps, and the number of spirals on a sunflower head, a Fibonacci number. The simplest rule of all, add the last two numbers, leads to one of the most beautiful ratios in mathematics. A slice of math every day, here at Think Math.